The Tale of Little Flamer, How to Fly Without Really Trying. Once upon a time in the heart of the enchanted forest, there lived a little dragon named Flamer. Unlike his friends, who soared through the sky with grace and speed, Flamer had a peculiar quirk: he was afraid of heights. While his friends practiced their aerial acrobatics, Flamer preferred to stay close to the ground, dreaming of the clouds but never daring to fly. One sunny morning, as the golden rays filtered through the leaves, Flamer sat on a warm rock, watching his friends dive and loop in the air. "Oh, how I wish I could fly like them," he sighed, his little heart filled with longing. Just then, a wise old owl named Orin landed beside him. With feathers as white as snow and eyes that sparkled like stars, Orin was known for his wisdom. "Why do you look so glum, little one?" he asked, tilting his head. "I want to fly, Orin, but I'm too scared," Flamer admitted, his voice barely above a whisper. "What if I fall?" Orin chuckled softly. "Flying is not just about flapping your wings, dear Flamer. It's about believing in yourself and embracing the joy of the journey." "But how can I fly without really trying?" Flamer asked, puzzled. "Sometimes, the best way to fly is to let go of your fears," Orin replied. "Why not start with something small? Why not try to float?" Intrigued, Flamer thought for a moment. "Float? How'd I do that?" Orin smiled. "Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine the wind lifting you gently. Let your worries drift away like leaves in the breeze." With a nod, Flamer closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and imagined the wind cradling him. To his surprise, he felt a lightness in his heart. He opened his eyes and found himself hovering just above the ground. "Look, Orin, I'm floating," he exclaimed, a mixture of joy and disbelief in his voice. "Yes, you're already flying, little one," Orin encouraged. "Now, let's take it a step further. Trust in yourself and take a small leap." Flamer hesitated but felt a spark of courage. With a little wiggle of his wings, he leapt forward. To his astonishment, he soared a few feet into the air before landing softly on a nearby patch of grass. "I did it! I really did it!" Flamer cheered, his fear melting away like morning mist under the sun. Orin hooted in delight. "Now, keep practicing. Each small step will lead you higher. Remember, flying is about the joy of movement, not perfection." With newfound determination, Flamer began to practice every day. He floated, leapt, and twirled, slowly gaining confidence. His friends cheered him on, and soon, he found himself gliding through the air, feeling the wind beneath his wings. One day, as the sun set in a blaze of orange and pink, Flamer took a deep breath and soared higher than he ever had before. He danced among the clouds, the world below looking like a patchwork quilt of greens and browns. "I am flying. I am really flying," he shouted, his heart swelling with joy. From that day on, Flamer was known as the little dragon who learned to fly without really trying. He discovered that sometimes, all it takes to soar is a little faith in oneself and the courage to embrace the adventure. And so, Flamer continued to explore the skies, inspiring others to chase their dreams, no matter how high they seemed. And if you ever find yourself doubting your wings, just remember the tale of little Flamer, who learned that flying is not just about the heights you reach, but the joy you find along